In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Bullx Neo. The first thing you want to do is you want to go to the link in the description down below or in the pinned comment, and essentially that link is going to allow you to skip the Bullx Neo waitlist. So all you need to do is you need to go ahead and press on it, and then it will now give you the option to open Telegram. So go ahead and press on Open Telegram Desktop. Again, you will need Telegram for the PC, so if you haven't downloaded Telegram for the PC, it's really important that you do that beforehand. But anyways, let's go ahead and press on Open Telegram Desktop like so. And then there you go, you should get something that looks like this. It will say, congratulations, your access code has been redeemed. So as you're able to tell, I did do this before, and it's going to give you a brief introduction on how to use Bullx Neo. But all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on this button that says log in. And then you want to go ahead and press on open like so. And then it is going to log you into Bullx Neo. And from here, you guys can go ahead and actually start trading and stuff like that. But you need to connect your Phantom wallet before you're able to do anything. So in order to do that, you need to go to the left menu, and then you need to go ahead and select on wallet manager. Then where it says withdraw wallets, you want to go ahead and press on add wallet, and then select on Solana, put in your wallet name, and enter in your address. So you can do this easily using the Phantom web browser extension or the Phantom application. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I will see you in the next tutorial.